Hello traders, welcome to our new video here on YouTube. So this one will be recorded for you on March 22nd. It's Friday. So in the middle of the week, as you know, we have seen a pretty interesting price action. The FX market, the dollar is currently turning to the upside after initial drop that occurred in the middle of the week when speculators were put their eyes on the Fed, because there is speculation that Fed will cut the rates. But what happened a day later? Well, Swiss National Bank actually decided to cut the rates for 25 basis points, and then Bank of England looks to be turning dovish. We have the ECB members also saying today that maybe there will be cuts coming before summer. Okay, so of course the ping pong between currencies is definitely visible on the charts, because speculators will shift from one currency to other currencies. It really depends which central bank is next to be dovish. Okay, so for now it looks like this current dovish global view is bullish for the US dollar, okay, because Fed is already behind. And what actually that means is that dollar could potentially in the near future could potentially even see higher prices. What we are also seeing is stocks are still doing quite well since the recent dollar rally, okay, when other currencies sold off. So stocks are doing quite well, and the idea behind it is very simple. If there will be cutting rates globally, what this means is that money will be less expensive, and this will be supportive for the economy, and this obviously has a positive impact for stocks. So that's why this correlation for now could be a little bit diverging. Higher stocks for now could be also good for the US dollar, because you have other central banks that are turning dovish. That's the point here. Okay, so for now what we are seeing also in the last few sessions is that metals came to the downside. You can see silver actually lost 4% or so, and I think that commodity currencies are also suffering here, and could even see more weakness here after the rallies. So for now, I just think that this dollar trend could resume slightly higher. We have here this wave count of the US dollar index, which actually shows a very nice free wave drop from February highs. Could be completed correction as a wave B, could be part of a triangle, but in either case, I think that 105 can become in potential even 106 resistance later on. So as long we have this wave C still in view, that's how long I will be looking for potential more dollar strength across the board. Okay, keep an eye also on trade differential rates in the Germany actually are falling much faster compared to the one in the US for the last 2 days, and that's what makes euro dollar very bearish. So as long as this ratio moves to the downside, we will be considering more weakness on the euro, which in my opinion is also having and building up a very nice potential bearish pattern. Okay, by the way, I will be covering all of this and other markets as well in our webinar on Monday, 15 Central European time. So make sure to be there. And also I will be covering cryptos. Now cryptos have seen some very nice bounce recently after this very strong sell-off, but as long as stocks are holding the bid, as long as stocks are looking good up here, that's how long even cryptocurrencies could also be either sideways or even could see more upside. Okay, of course, if dollar will keep getting stronger until we see stocks pulling back, cryptos will have some very hard time to beat this. But overall, as long as the risky assets are doing fine, I think that even cryptocurrencies could hold this support as well. Okay, so far from an Elliott wave perspective, we have this ABC drop, and I would not be surprised to see more upside. If not, if let's say that market will just resume back to the downside and even retest this 62,000 level or even lower, then this will be still correction from the top. Okay, it will be just more complex for a wave 4, but the important here is that we have corrective personality from the highs. So with that being said, I think that cryptocurrencies are still in a bull run, but maybe we will have to wait a little bit longer for new highs to be reached if the dollar will be the big issue here. Traders, thank you very much for your attention. So make sure to be with us on Monday. Have a good day. Bye.